Asia's songbird Regine Velasquez wrote this funny caption for her throwback photo with Queen of Creative Collaborations Heart Evangelista. At one point in their careers, Regine and Heart were both in the GMA network. A few years ago, the singer-actress transferred to ABS-CBN, following her husband OPM icon OG Alcacede's decision to be a kapamilya. Heart started as a kapamilya star, but eventually, she transferred to GMA and has remained a kapuso until now. However, Heart has been attending kapamilya events several times already. In a recent Instagram post, Regine Velasquez recalled a moment when she had a photo with Heart Evangelista. The kapuso actress was smiling sweetly while the Asia's songbird was looking at her with a dismayed expression. Regine said that this was the time when she celebrated her birthday in their past talk show on GMA. Because of that, she really prepared and she felt that she was really beautiful that day. However, that feeling of confidence was suddenly burst by Heart's presence, and Regine said that she questioned if she really looked beautiful at that time. So nag-celebrate ako ng birthday ko sa talk show namin sa GMA, syempre nag-prepare ako no. Feeling ko ang ganda-ganda ko panaman tapos dumating si at I'm Heart, alam mo yung kinusweston ko yung sakili ko, mag-ada nga ba ako today. Ito si Heart minsan din Regine quipped in the caption of her post. However, the singer said that she was happy seeing Heart during the ABS-CBN Ball 2025 last April 4. The kapuso actress was accompanied by her husband, Senator Chis Escudero. In the comment section of her post, many celebrities expressed amusement with what Regine Velasquez shared. A fan also wrote this comment, "Hahaha, natuwa ako sa caption mo ate. Ang ganda, so much both."